Good morning, everyone. I, SHOOR from DLD Model School, Class 10th, will present you EcoFuelX, a breakthrough solution designed to fight climate change while producing clean, affordable fuel. The problem is CO2 levels are rising fast. Heat waves, floods, extreme weather. We need more energy but fewer emissions. Traditional fuel will pollute air. Renewable struggle to store itself. The solution is the EcoFuel X will turn CO2 into clean synthetic methane. How? It will first capture CO2 from air or factory exhaust. Then we will take green S2 hydrogen, split splitting the water using solar or wind energy. And third, we will use Sabatier reaction to convert
Wind
carbon dioxide
energy.
and
And
carbon
third,
dioxide
we will use
and water into methane
Sabatier
and water
reaction to
into
convert
purified stored ready
carbon dioxide and
for
water into
and
methane
which
and
is
water
available for
into
transport
purified
into
stored
industries.
ready forms
For our
and
future
which
plan,
is
we
available
will
for transport
target
into
smart cities
industries.
which will cut
For
emissions
our
and
future plan,
fuel
we
grids,
will
factories
target
for
smart cities
capturing
which
CO2
will
and
cut emissions
converting
and
them into
fuel
low
grids,
carbon based
factories
carbon
for
footprint.
capturing CO2 and
And for third,
converting
remote
them into
areas,
low
we
carbon
will provide
based
portable
carbon
units
footprint.
with no pipeline
And
needed
for third, remote areas,
for a carbon
we will
neutral,
provide
affordable
portable units
pairs
with no
with
pipeline needed.
renewable, partnering with
For carbon
energy
neutral,
energy
affordable
leaders
pairs
to make green
with
methane
renewable,
global.
partnering with
EcoFuel X,
energy
turning
leaders
pollution
to
into
make green
power,
methane
clean energy
global.
plus clean
EcoFuel
planet.
X
We will do it
turning
together.
pollution into